Good morning and welcome. It's Joy Cube here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, coming to you with an acrylic pour tutorial. I'm going to use these gorgeous PRIZM pour paints today. I'm using all of these colours. These were sent to me by Capriole Shabby Chic. So I've got Violet Rose, I've got Peach Delilah, Neptune's Gaze, Pink Diamond, Royal Sapphire, something, Chantilly Lace. I've mixed them with a mix of 50% paint, 50% GAC 800, which I don't normally use, but I've got it there and I'm going to try it with these paints, and 50% Aussie Floetrol, the liquid gold as we call it. So that is my recipe today. Hopefully it's a recipe for success and not a recipe for disaster. So let's get to it. I've mixed my paints, I've given them a good stir, as you do, and I'm ready for success. Let's be positive with this. Rightio. Excuse me, crazy woman. I'm going to just start off with covering this nice round canvas, nice round. So hopefully it'll be a nice Christmas gift for somebody. I'm going to put my base coat on. This is the normal acrylic paint with my normal pouring medium of clear glue, 70% clear glue and 30% water. I also put a good dash of my Aussie Floetrol in it. I don't measure it, I just put a good dash in it. So that is what I'm doing today. So remember, if you've never done this before, you can absolutely do it. You do not have to be an artist. You just have to have a little bit of patience and persistence, and just to keep trying. If you don't get something right the first time, don't give up on it, because it's so rewarding. So that is the instructions, and the other instruction is the rules are, there's no rules, absolutely no rules at all. So it's just, you know, something to enjoy and relax into, and not let anybody upset you while you're doing it or criticize, because that's not allowed. Everybody can do it their own way. There's no right or wrong way. You just try, you can create, trying to copy somebody else's work exactly, and then create something, a wonderful different technique of your own. I'm not going to worry about my sides too much, but you can whiz around with the fingers, because that is allowed too. Finger painting is definitely allowed, and it's enjoyable to get in and get dirty. So give that a go. So that's my white layer on there. Still got a croaky voice. Anyhow, what I'm going to do is go around like a posy with these gorgeous colours, and we'll see what we get. So I am going to start, I want to do something that so this is going to be an odd circle, isn't it? Because I'm not, ooh, that's wonky. Don't worry about it, as I said. It's no biggie, so just don't stress. I might go this way, my next one. Yeah, I'm not stressing about it, just going for it, just enjoy it. As my puppies decide to come in. Hello, puppy. I'm gonna do the outside. So I'm trying to use all these colours in here, so I get all these glorious colours in. Kind of doing a what do you call it, a spirally thing. Rightio, I think I've just got this one more here. The heavy breathing is not me, I assure you. It is my puppy. My puppy. Isn't it, baby? Rightio. Last one. Hope this is the Chantilly lace, so I might put that on the outside too, so as it windy winds all the way in. Now, I am not sure if I should swipe. I might try just swiping the paint that's already on there. It may work, it may not, so you can just adjust accordingly. If it doesn't work, then I'll add a different kind of paint. So let's give this a go. Actually, I think I'll cut this down. This is just a bit of soft plastic. I'm just going to cut it down a little bit smaller. So here we go. Let's give this a go. So, oh, gosh. Okay. That didn't do anything. I need to plop it in. See if it creates anything. It doesn't mean to much appear in that. So what I will do is add this is titanium white mixed with Floetrol only. So I'm going to make sure I put a good dash of that in the centre and a good dash of that around. Why not? Now this might be a lovely one to actually blow out instead of swipe out. Not sure, might even go that way in a second. Ooh. Beautiful cells. Would you like to see me blow it out? I think I'd like to blow it out. So there you go, that's how you can just change I get some gorgeous cells from it, but I'm thinking that I'd like to blow this one out. Do it chaos style. If it will, let's see how we go. Maybe if I put a bit more paint in the center to use as my blowout. Let's give it a go. If not, so what? Ooh. Oh, yes. Love it. Let's turn this around. Oh, that is gorgeous. Rightio, keep going. Don't be scared with your hairdryer. Just as long as you give yourself, don't be scared with your hairdryer. As long as you give yourself an area that you're not worried about blowing paint onto, that's perfectly fine. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to give it a hit with my heat gun. That's shimmery shiny. That's gorgeous. That turned out pretty good. I'm happy that I did the blowout and not now the swipe. I think that it was meant to be, so just finish off the edges. You can more than do something pretty in the center, and I might even give this one a few minutes for me to think about it and see if I just want to add some embellishment in the center, which it's gorgeous as it is, but I'm going to really risk it for a Swisskit. I have an old spoon literally that I've just found in the edge of the garden. I must have been doing something with. So I'm going to use this spoon to see, I don't know, if I can create some kind of petals. Would I go down or? Oh, I might stuff it up. That's better. I think you've got to be kind of less scared to get in and do something. You sort of hesitate and it doesn't work, so you just gotta do it, I guess. She says. I think that was a bit of a, I could make that a little bit better, I'm sure. Look, now I'm not going to worry about that in the centre because I can syringe that extra out like so. Where's me Duvalaki? There it is, there it is, there it is. If you get a lot of paint in the centre, just use a syringe and suck it out. Oh. Same if you get a big load of paint left in the centre of your canvas and you don't want all that paint there, you can suck it out in the same way. Fix that up. I can try and make this a little bit better than it is. Add another colour. I've just got little drips of paint on the side of my mat there to add or take away. I know it's off centre, but that's perfectly fine because I'm not a lover of symmetric, dead centre or whatever, just not. So I'm going to just do some of these petally things. It may not add anything to it, but you know, you give it a go, and if it doesn't, I can just go over that centre just in white again. It's no biggie. Don't sweat the small stuff. I'm sure if I used a better spoon, probably a smaller spoon, it would work a little bit better for me. Just going to suck that paint out. There's too much there. Then I will use my skewer, my skewery thing, my Nana's skewer. Nana's skewer to add some embellishment. Trying to smarten up this leafy thing a little bit. If I had, which I haven't right here, a smaller spoon, I'm just going to try it with this big chubby one. Ooh, quite pretty. Just go for it. Don't worry about it. Am I talking to myself or am I talking to you? It's probably coaching myself just to go for it. I'm going to practice this a bit more, this spoony thing. See what I can get. I know I'll have comments, oh, it didn't need anything, or I should have left it. But no, I shouldn't, because it's my art and I want to carry on, and you've got to be the same. Do what your heart desires when it's you at the other end of the piece of art. I think that is fine. I think that is fine. All I'll do is try and smarten it up a bit where I've gone and got some little drips here and there that oh God, I just sort of let it dry off a bit, and then I'll, if it needs touch up anything, you touch it up. But that's a pretty little piece. That'll come up lovely with a nice varnish coat of either spray varnish or my wipe-on resin that I usually do. I hope you enjoyed that anyway. It was fun for me. It's a nice delicate piece, unlike me. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, give this a go. Prism pour, full chaos, blown out. Pretty good, I say. Till tomorrow, take care of yourselves, and I'll be back.